Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Enable battery saver and set the trigger to around 20–30% so the phone responds automatically. Dim the screen to about 30% or use adaptive brightness because the display is the biggest power draw. Close background apps and toggle off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location when not required. This cuts constant polling. Once done, check for battery-draining apps in Settings and Force. Stop any that report excessive usage. Do it now to conserve charge immediately. You should now refine settings that give the biggest gains. Restrict background data and set heavy apps to manual refresh so they don't wake the device continually. Switch to 4G or enable airplane mode when signal is poor because searching for a tower burns large amounts of power. Use dark mode on OLED screens and shorten screen timeout to 15–30 seconds since those small adjustments add up. Make sure to remove unnecessary widgets and live wallpapers. They wake the CPU and drain the battery. You're finishing up. Charge strategically by keeping the battery between about 20 and 80% to prolong lifespan, and update apps and the OS because patches often improve efficiency. Uninstall apps you don't use and clear cached data to reduce background work. If things go wrong, reboot the device first, then inspect battery stats to find culprits. If readings seem off, perform a battery calibration by fully charging once and letting it discharge slowly. This fixes reporting issues without harming normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.